Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to allow or grant access to customer user to download digital files after order status completed, not in processing in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings, so click on it. So by default user can download digital files after order status is processing. Now you see multiple tabs, so click on product tab. So we are going to change setting and then in product tab you see downloadable products, so click on it. Now downloadable product section open and then you see access restriction, grant access to downloadable product after payment. Enable this option to grant access to download when order of processing rather than completed. So disable this option. So we are going to allow access for downloadable product after order status completed and then click on save changes. Now setting has been saved. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.